All right, let's play a game. Imagine a color that's sort of blue but kind of green at the same time. Can't picture it? Well, speakers of some languages can, because their language has a word for it, which raises a big question. Does the language we speak shape how we think? Welcome to today's episode where we find out if language is controlling your brain more than you think. Meet our suspect, the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis. It claims that language doesn't just describe reality, it shapes it. For example, in Russian, there are separate words for light blue and dark blue, and studies show that Russian speakers are better at telling the difference between them. So Russians are basically color ninjas. But some scientists argue this isn't real mind control. It's just a tiny brain nudge. If language controls thought, then do babies and dogs just not think? Okay, bad example. Humans had thoughts before language. We solved problems, hunted, and invented fire, all without saying, "Hey bro, let's cook this mammoth." So language helps refine thought, but it's not required for it. Here's where it gets weird. People make different decisions depending on what language they're thinking in. Studies show that when people make moral choices in their native language, they rely more on emotion. But when they switch to a second language, they're more logical and calculated. So basically, learning a new language can turn you into a robot. So what's the final answer? Does language shape thought? Yes, but not in a mind control way. Language can influence perception, memory, and decision-making, but you're not trapped by it. So if you want to change how you think, learning a new language might actually be a cheat code for your brain. Now I need to know, what's the weirdest word in your language that has no English translation? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing facts.